Hello guys, how are you? How you feeling? All good, all fine. The weather, something. So let's begin. Next my video. Next Toyota, the same Toyota Corolla, not same, another. So what happened to car? This one of the repair station of automatic gearbox. They call me to repair this car. See. It has some problem, I will show you. Okay, let's change the view. So once again, it's a Toyota Multimode MMT, and it's not driving, has some problem, all like everything, like regular. Okay, so I connected to it, and look at this. It has the P0900. What it mean? It means that the TCM is broken, or the electrical motor of clutch actuator is also can be broken. It's trouble code for two reasons. What is the reason? I don't know. OTCM, but in history I asked him what was doing before. The customer said that the TCM was repaired. So it's mean that can be not repaired good, or clutch actuator is not working. So I decide to change both of them, and TCM and clutch actuator. Okay. And I want to do it. I want to show you how I can do it fast. Now it will how to say, the test of me. I never see this car before. I just come in to the station to help them to do the best repair and give the warranty. Okay, so I now at this moment I will change the TCM for my, that I am sure, and after that I will turn on the video and we will check how much fast can be to change the clutch actuator with learning, with full repair. Okay, let's go. So I have my TCM and repaired by myself clutch actuator and some tools that I need to do it. This is this TCM, this is my TCM. This from ours, this Corolla, it's no matter, it's the same. Just I changed the cover back, and now I will install this one. Not like this. I forgot to take my camera and I need to shoot on the phone. Okay. So, yeah, this way. Okay. I see, repeat again. I see this car first time. Never opened on this car. So now I will change this and this. Ready? I'm ready. Yes. So let's check what time is it now. Lost communication. Okay, I'm changed the TCM. It's his old and mine on the place. And look, 10, 11, 42. Let's start. Let's go party. Let's go dance. Yeah. this screwdriver. Oh, one connector. Another one. Now let's open it. Let's unscrew the 3 bolts. This need to be removed. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, it's driving on the gas. Bolt.
Володя пока аж не едет никуда.
Be careful. Oh, yes. Another one, and last. It's moving hard. Ой. О. Yes. Now I remove it and put it down. Oh, it's down. Все круто. Окей. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Now I will put the grease on each bolt. See? And 3. Okay. Yeah. Now we need to move to the right side, that will know clearance in this place. Where this place? This it's not good, so need to move it. Yes, to the. So let's screw 3 bolts. Oh, not close, hard. Just screw by the end, that we can move it. The actuator. And okay, now I will take the ratchet, and will close part. First I will move it to the side, that will know clearance in this place. Okay. Okay, I'm close it. Look how it must be. Oh, it's no clearance. Okay, let's close all bolts. One, two, and last one. Oh, yes. Now plug 2 plugs. Wait. Why it's not? Let's run. Oop. Not moving, okay. This plug, sensor, yes. Now we can make the lowering. Open the switch. Don't push the brake, don't push, and make lowering. Hey, where is it? Hey. Okay, let's reconnect it. Oh, we have a lot of trouble codes. Why? Because it was trouble code before. Because I will test it on my stand and clear all of them. Okay, no trouble codes, as you can see. Let's see, check again. Data list, trouble codes. No trouble codes. Okay. Now we're going to utility. Parts exchange. Next. Installation learning. Next. And I choose everything because I change all. Next. Okay, so there. What will it say? It's nothing. We need to turn off the switch, wait that the dashboard is flash off. Okay, now we can turn on the switch and we will hear how it learned the gearbox. Okay, I turn on the switch and go to the yes, it's done. Turn off the switch again. Wait that the dashboard will flash off. Okay, and now what we must to do? Push the brake, turn on the engine and wait until the neutral will flashing and stop flashing. It means that learning all good. Yes, that's all. Look. Reverse. Second. Zero. That's all. The car can move. And now check the time. 11:57. So I do it for 15 minutes. Yo! Yeah! 15 minutes. I change the clutch and do full learning. And now car driving with my full warranty. So thank you for watching. If you need some help, some parts, any question I can help with everything for this car.